Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how I use my Makari exclusive body lotion and serum for my face sometimes, even though it's not for the face, okay? So what I do is I add something like bio oil or olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, baby oil, glycerin, and you are good to go. If you are light skin, you don't need this, but it will give you moisture. As I see this as a dry cream, it is so drying, okay? So I use this cream like 2 times a week in my face and then in my body too, okay? Then the rest of the days I use my Nivea for my body. Then when I apply this on my face, I top it up with my Nivea day or night cream depending on when I'm using the cream. If it's night, I use the night cream. If it's day, I use the day cream. But if you are light skinned already, you don't need to be adding the oils. But black skin people hate to read instructions on cream. The instruction says use this cream 3 times per week at night. Don't use it every day, okay?